Hi, the Indian government has one favorite sector and they support it so much that they will never let it fail. They give it more attention and benefits than any other industry. I am talking about real estate sector. And I will explain you with three powerful reasons why it's clearly their favorite. Firstly, look at the kind of tax benefits real estate enjoys. Example, if you own a house and give it on rent, you automatically get a 30% standard deduction on that rental income. You don't even need to show any kind of bills or proof of expenses also. No other asset class gives you such a clean, no question asked benefit. Then, if you sell any kind of long-term capital asset like stocks, gold or mutual fund and reinvest that gains into a residential house, you can claim a full exemption on that capital gains also. Again, this benefit is reserved only for real estate category. And if you have taken any kind of housing loan, both the interest you pay and the principal repayment can be deducted from your salaried income. Now, if you try to find this kind of combination of tax breaks in any other investment or loan, you won't be able to find it. The second reason is jobs. The real estate is the second largest source of employment in India after agriculture. It provides work to a wide range of people from engineers and architects to daily wage laborers. When you have such a large population relying on this sector, the government has to keep supporting it to ensure jobs continue to follow. And the third big reason is about long-term demand. Right now, the average Indian household has about 4.5 to 5 members, and in most developed countries, it's about only 2 to 3. As our families get smaller and cities get expand, India will need to double its housing stock over the next 2 decades. So the government really has no other choice. They have to promote and support real estate sector if they want to meet this future demand. Now, over the next few days, I'll be sharing more updates and interesting patterns about real estate, not just in India, but from across the world. So if you're looking to understand the real estate sector in a simple and practical way, make sure to follow me and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.